Your pasta is good one day, and the next day it's completely off. Same ingredients, same steps, different result. This is what frustrates most people, because it feels random. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And you don't know why, but it's not random. It just feels that way. At home, people cook pasta based on feeling a bit more water, a bit more salt, a bit more time. Everything changes every time, and small changes create big differences. Restaurants don't cook like this. They don't rely on feeling, they rely on control. Every variable is managed. Water amount, salt level, heat, timing. Nothing is left to chance. At home, those variables shift constantly. Water is never the same. Heat is never stable. Timing is inconsistent. And pasta reacts to all of this. Even small variations change texture and flavor. That's why your pasta feels unpredictable. Not because you are bad, but because your system is unstable. Restaurants remove instability. They repeat the same conditions every time. That's why results are consistent. At home, the process resets every time, and so do the results. Consistency is not about skill. It's about control. When you control the process, the result stops being random and starts being reliable.